Hey, yo! That was a horrible intro. That was a complete horrible intro. Alright, so we are here at the school doing completely nothing but just riding our bikes. And I just got bored, so I want to do a vlog! And nobody is here.
Of course nobody's here. Where's everybody?
And also, did you say I'm 10?
No, I said no one's going to watch it besides me and some weird random 10-year-olds on the internet.
Well, yeah.
Sorry, no offense to you viewers.
Well, there's a montage of me riding my bike. Wait. Holy crap, Liam!
What? Did I make that?
Yeah. Riley! He completely did this on accident.
It's just bubbles.
It's bubbles that he made with his little foot.
Okay.
Wait a second. Why are they rainbow? Taste the rainbow!
Okay, can I say something? I was like,
Well, back to the montage. Well, no wonder they said flash flood. I want to see how deep it is. I want to see how deep it is. It's probably going to be cold as hell.
it's not that cold.
No.
It's not cold.
It is down to my heels.
It's down.
Ah, that's cold. Yeah, it is really cold.
It's not that cold. See,
Thank
it's
God
down
I'm wearing
here.
flip-flops. Don't judge me. I'm wearing flip-flops while I'm riding a bike.
Me too.
Don't judge me.
There.
Back to the montage.
You're making a line.
Here we go, line. Yay, I made one.
Make it go really fast and I think I make a line.
Oh yeah, and I want to let you guys know that now we might not always need a cameraman. Because when I get $10, which might be never, I will be able to get a stand for this phone. So, yeah, I'm not gonna have to hold it, and it will be in much better positions. Like it would be right over there. Or right over there. Or right under me. Or maybe I could even latch it to my bike. Wait. Vlog cam! Well, yeah. Say in the comments if it's good. Say in the comments if you think I should get it. Or do you think I should just get a bunch of candy? Write down in the comments right now. Write down in the comments right now if you want me to do that. Alright, and sorry to cut this video short, but I gotta get going. Peace!